Ever wonder why tucking a toddler into bed feels like negotiating a high-stakes business deal? If so, breathe easy. This video will unravel the mysteries of a smooth bedtime routine for your little one. Picture this. It's the end of a long day, and you're ready for some well-deserved rest. But there's a hurdle to cross, the bedtime routine of your toddler. It may seem like a daunting task, but breaking it down into simple, manageable steps can make a world of difference. Step 1. Establish a consistent routine. Toddlers thrive on consistency. It helps them feel safe and secure. Start by setting a specific bedtime. This will act as a cue for your child to wind down. Step 2. Create a relaxing bedtime environment. Dim the lights, keep the room quiet, and make sure the temperature is comfortable. This will signal to your child that it's time to sleep. Step 3. Engage in a calming pre-bedtime activity. This could be reading a story, listening to soft music, or even a gentle massage. The goal is to relax your child and prepare them for sleep. Step 4. Keep goodbyes short and sweet. Prolonged goodbyes can lead to anxiety and delay sleep. A quick kiss and a reassuring goodnight will do the trick. Step 5. Be patient. It's normal for toddlers to resist bedtime. Stay calm and keep reinforcing the routine. With time, your child will adjust to this new pattern. Now, remember, every child is unique and what works for one might not work for another. But these steps provide a reliable blueprint to build upon. To recap, here are the key takeaways. 1. Establish a consistent routine. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime environment. 3. Engage in a calming pre-bedtime activity. 4. Keep goodbyes short and sweet. And 5. Be patient. Implementing this routine won't guarantee an immediate transformation, but over time, it can help ease the bedtime struggles, leading to a more peaceful night for both you and your toddler. So give it a try and watch the magic unfold. Remember, bedtime doesn't have to be a battleground. It can be a serene bonding time for you and your little one. So take a deep breath, keep calm, and know that you're doing a great job. After all, parenting is the toughest job there is, and every small victory is a cause for celebration. And with that, the curtain falls on this bedtime saga. Until next time, sleep tight, dream big, and wake up refreshed. Good night.